I'm over here on 4chan.org. Just came across this infographic comparing the historical price of gold to the historical price of Bitcoin. And you could see the similarities between the two, with an all-time high of Bitcoin back in December 2017 right here compared to an all-time high of gold back in 1980. And you could see that after the gold ETF was introduced sometime after 1980, the price of gold kaboomed to 500% more than its all-time high back in 1980. Okay, the big question is now, in anticipation for the ETF approval for Bitcoin that's coming up now in August, will Bitcoin follow a similar pattern to that of gold and kaboom to more than or about 500% more than its all-time high back in December 2017? That's the speculation out there, and that's the question that we're asking today. There's definitely some bullish sentiment. You could check out this article over there at cryptoslate.com, posted by Sam Town, op-ed, why Bitcoin ETF approval could catalyze the biggest bull run yet. Should the approval for a Bitcoin exchange traded fund succeed, the cryptocurrency market could potentially experience a never before seen influx of capital as institutional capital, speed traders, and accredited investors move into the crypto space for the first time, says this article posted by Sam Town on Crypto Slate. I'll have it linked down below. You could see over here on CoinGate.com, Bitcoin ETF enthusiasm is exploding. Bulls have already taken charge. This is posted by Partyish Goyal. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. You can see Bitcoin ETF, the hot topic in the crypto market. It's taking the SEC by storm as enthusiasts are flooding the agency with comments on the listing and trading of solid X Bitcoin shares. Guys, if you don't know what this ETF means, it stands for exchange traded funds, and that would basically allow Bitcoin shares to be traded on these markets like the NASDAQ, I suppose. Correct me if I'm wrong out there in the comments. You can also check out bitcoinist.com. This article posted by Alan Scott, 3 reasons why the Bitcoin ETF could happen next month. And you can see what his reasons are. We'll go over them briefly. I'll have the article linked down below so you can check it out in its entirety. He lists Bitcoin has exploded in price, custodial services, and regulatory clarity as some of the reasons why Bitcoin ETF could happen next month. Now it's coming up for approval in August, and there is a possibility, if I understand correctly, that approval process could be delayed a maximum of 45 days. So as early as August or as late as sometime as in September, we should know what the decision is, and hopefully this thing could propel the price of Bitcoin back to its all-time high, at least, is what I'm looking for. I don't know if things are going to top 500% their all-time high and follow this chart exactly like gold did, but it's interesting to compare the two historical prices. Definitely interesting and bullish chart to look at, guys. I would like to know what your opinion is on this. Do you think the price of Bitcoin will follow a similar price to that of gold and kaboom right after the ETFs are introduced to a 500% its previous all-time high? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.